Hi, this is Faddy, and let me show you how to integrate the Wi-Fi cameras to app of the alarm system. First, let me try this one. This is Wi-Fi auto tracking cameras for indoor, and this is auto tracking. So the cameras will move with the people passing by. So first, let's power on. The app of the alarm system is very smart. You press here, and then you can see that this is the online is for the alarm system is online. So you can press here to add the camera, and press here. Not networked state, Wi-Fi configuration, and you have to press the reset button here. This is the reset button.
Reset the factory setting.
Okay. After you heard the voice, then press here. Okay, this is a Wi-Fi. Press the password. Then next. Okay, press this button.
Wait for the configuration. Receiving configuration information. Began to connect. The connection is successful.
Okay, please. Hey, so this online. Okay, and this button is for you can choose the to choose the image. It will be more clear. Check that. This is for the playback for the records, and you can press. And this button is to enlarge the pictures you can see more far away, and check that. Okay. Okay. Let me get. And check that. The camera is following me. Okay, Wi-Fi here is not good. Yes, it's following me.